Hi, hi, welcome back to Postbox CH channel and back to Python series. Today the topic is we are going to tell about the Lambda function in Python. Okay, so one of the important and familiar function where it should be supported by Java and other languages similar to Python. So let's see today what is Lambda function, how to use or how to create Lambda function and what are things like what is Lambda, why use Lambda functions, what are the particular reasons and some of the very simple example who learn Python for them very easy, and finally the difference between lambda and the regular functions. So now what is lambda? It's a small anonymous function, or else in according to Python you can say it's anonymous function means that the function is without a name. That is a thing you have to understand to get idea about lambda in the Python concept. And also it can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. Syntax is, so if you want to create lambda function you can use a syntax like lambda arguments colon single colon expression, then the expression is executed and the results is returned. Let's see the example one by one. Before that we see why use lambda, because these are functions used when you need a function for a short time period. So when you want to write a small program with a function you can use a lambda, it's too double. And also it's commonly used when you want pass a function as argument to higher order functions and etc. Let's see the very simple and small example here one by one, just two examples only. I don't want to take much time. So example one here, we are assuming that we are going to write a script here. Before that, what is the objective of the program? The objective or mode of program is a function that lambda function that adds 10 to the number, pass it in an argument and print the result. So I'm going to write with the help of syntax x equal to lambda space a colon a plus 10 and print x of 5. That means the value of 5 will be passed to value of x value of 5 value passed to the lambda function and add with that is a value is here 5 and add with the 10. So finally it generates the output as a 15. So this is a very simple way of understanding about the lambda function. We see one more example. This is a function where it add two arguments a comma b and c and print the result. So x equal to lambda of a comma b comma c then colon a plus b plus c and print of x of 5 comma 6 comma 2. So I am passing all the arguments values to the through the x through the lambda function. So the operation given is operator to the given operation operator given is addition. So it will add all the operation, that is sum of the value. It will print 5 plus 6 plus 1 13 like that. This is a way of using the lambda function in the another way. Like this you can create your own lambda function and we can see the exact differences now. Okay, what is the difference between lambda and regular functions? First point, based on the syntax we can write lambda x, that is x plus x, or else you can regular normal function write definition of x then return x plus x. So it's a replacement of regular function. Then in the lambda it can have only one expression in their body, but in regular regular functions it can have multiple expressions and statements in their body. Then lambda don't have a name associated with them and regular functions must have a name and signature. So definitely will give you a traceback error in the Python in the regular functions. Lambda is not like that. And so so and final important difference is in lambdas it don't contain a, it won't contain a return statement because the body is automatically returned. There is no return statement in the lambda concept, but in functions, normal functions which you need to return value should include a return statement. Function whatever function, whether write a function for addition, subtraction or any one multiplication, you have to add the return statement. It's must in the regular function. And so like this, and moreover the lambda functions we can use with the built-in functions like filter, map, reduce and etc. But regular functions not that. You know what are the difficulties in regular function, and the drawback of one lambda function is we can't use for heavier or big level programming coding. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and press bell button for more icons, sorry, more updates.